what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today guys, I am at work and I come up with this idea that I'm gonna call some people, including some YouTubers, and like me go to say, me hear say I call up my name, stop call up my name. You understand? Guys, before you guys go down into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corey. So guys, I'm not even going to tarry. See, I have my next phone here. This phone quality that I'm using, it is not that good guys, so pardon me for the phone quality, but I'm ready to use this phone to make the call because they know this number. Who I'm calling know this number, so they're gonna answer. If I call them with this number, they're not gonna know it because I don't give out this number to people that I'm videoing from. Yes guys, so hold on. So guys, I'll call Love Ice first. Hey Love Ice, good morning, it's Corey. How you doing? I'm there. You there work?
Oh, there work, man.
Oh, I'm not stay long. I call me because me say you call up my name and stuff like that. So that's why I say, well, no, somebody call me and tell me say they call up my name and I say they bad things about me and stuff.
So what am I talk to about your name?
Me don't want to call the person name, but that's why I say me call you. Huh?
You ask them what they say?
I didn't hear you.
You ask them what they were saying?
What they were saying?
Yeah.
No. The person just called me and said they bash me out and thing.
Let me bash you out.
I said me enough and all of that.
No, sir. It's perfect good. Like seriously now, and you with the precious little time to come ask the doctor lot. The doctor will do nothing like that, literally.
Yeah, that's why I call you, because me I say, no man, I can't believe Love Ice that do that.
Many people call me for that. Tell me where you call me from, sweetie. Just talk to me.
That's why I call you.
You can't call the doctor about foolishness, because the doctor preach love. You know already, man.
Love Ice is a prank.
Yeah, what are we curry? I mean, I say, guys, curry times to stick in on, just to operation. I'm going to have a quick PR, you know. When I say that, no, I say, I don't want it to, what is the about it?
I call some more people, you know. Me if you keep calm, me want to see me I did laugh when I see video. Alright.
Yes, mama.
So yes guys, that's Love Ice TV, but that's call. She passed the test, so that means she shouldn't chat me. You know, she saw what the people them just say. So, but anyway guys, this is Love Ice TV guys. You can go follow her on. You can go follow her. You understand? And you can subscribe to our channel. That's Love Ice TV. Guys, I can watch Natalzz. Good morning, love. How you doing? You there work? You sound sick though.
Eh?
You're sick, man.
Sinus time, man. Sinus time.
Me not really know a good mood in a call. Me kind of wake up not in a good mood. Because me say I call up my name and I say bad things about me. Yep. And that somebody called me this morning about 2 hours ago and said to me, I said, wait for come to work, then me call you to address it.
They're not free for doing they want to do, honestly. I don't have time to talk to people, because I don't have time there. Anybody who wants to say
Natalzz. I said, no man. That's why you realize me not even call you and start cussing. I said, Natalzz.
Oh, when people get all that time to hear to me, I can allow cover deal. Jesus Christ. Oh, when I hear that fine.
And this man person called me about 2 hours.
I must YouTube. I want to hear for YouTube.
Who?
For channel.
Who for who?
I want to hear it for YouTube.
Me don't know the person just say the person just say you they bash me out and sitting.
Me, Patrice, Natalie Robinson, them sure.
Me say no man, me expect better for Natalzz. Come here, so me expect better for Natalzz. Me not expect Natalzz to talk about me.
Your phone a echo.
No, me I say me expect better for Natalzz. Me not think that Natalzz a talk about me.
When me use the energy do now. What did you say?
So you say me go on like say me better than people and all kind of sitting.
Corey, me I leave and go on your life and so with the guy look like you're not even when I be a midnight like we can't get to them. So if you thought they sitting there now. Hey, tell people to leave me alone, you know.
It's a prank. It's a prank.
Never start if I find them people that know.
It's a prank. You will see video soon. And you first somebody get called. Yeah, the third one, no, second person we call. Okay, first person we not get. Why? You're right, so guys, I'm going to call one more person. What me get her? Oh yes guys, I know you can follow, watch Natalzz also. Guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all of them link in the description box down below. So you can look for all of the link them. Because I'm not going to do no editing to the video here. I'm going to put all of them link in the description box down below. You understand? So you can just go and go check her out. Hey, what's up morning? I'm calling you at work?
Yeah, work my day, I'm going.
Yeah, I have to call you because somebody called me this morning and said, oh yeah, they bash me out and I talk bad things about me. I say, but me not do Renae, no, Renae that they talk about me.
Prank me. Your prank can't catch me. Your prank sorry, because...
So guys, if feel, I catch the rest of people them do already.
You know why it feels and I say, no, I know say we supposed to do that to some of my friends then. You can't catch me.
Guys, when you hear her talk about you can't catch her, so life with Renae guys. And you can subscribe to our channel.
You never catch me. No, you couldn't catch me this morning.
She just come out strong so. She said it couldn't catch me. And you first me never call you as a good thing, me never call you first.
Cut you out, you know, don't bother cut it out.
Me nah cut it out. If you see me all I make it talk, them I hear you.
Big up for the self, guy.
You see her, see her name there, life with Renae. Jesus Christ. Yeah, when I watch a video, we see it two people them. So guys, all of them link are in the description box below. Who me call. So Renae positive. No sir, she just ball out the prank so.
No sir.
No sir, me throat hurt me. Alright, big up myself Renae.
Yeah honey, big up yeah.
Alright. So guys, fail with life with Renae. She said it's a prank. She said it's a prank. So who else I'm gonna call, guys? I'm gonna call two more person I wanna call. I'm thinking Beauty. Citrine. I'm gonna call Beauty, guys. Maybe call who for number I have. Hey Beauty, good morning. Yeah. I know me talk this one now, so, but me just come off of the phone with somebody, they must say they talk be bad something about me and they sitting there. And I say me no for sitting. So yeah, call up my name.
Nobody can tell you that. First thing me and nobody no want no argument boy.
And I said, no man, I said Beauty dangerous. I saw Beauty, I text me and I comfort me. And I comfort me and I said, Corey, get better soon. And I went in there. I said, no man, Beauty can't. I said, me not think so.
Oh, sir, nobody can tell them they're sitting there.
So you know say
Not
nothing
even
about
though
me?
you and I, nobody coming on, nobody when me just chat to Curry. So nobody can tell you that. You see me? Nobody can tell nobody some of those whole conversation about them. Coming on, nobody when me chat people with.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, me not have time for that.
Me I go call back the person then because
Me
me not
not
like
even
mix
have time
up
to
business, you
rest
know.
myself good much less. Me not have time for them thing, the girl.
But anyway, it's a prank.
But me know, so you call me down the way, me know I try prank me.
Alright, Beauty, big up it.
We don't
Guys,
tell nobody can't tell her that.
Beauty, big up your channel. Big up your channel them.
You know what?
Yeah, big up your channel them.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Big up your channel.
Cool.
Big up your channel.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Say it.
So yes, guys, it's good to see you on TV. Feel free to run over, show some love. Yes, we have here. We just do prank too as well. But we don't know, so just now we want to start the agency to client prank. It will be huge, it will be epic, so just stay tuned. We have another channel as well, Kenisha Kitchen, where you can get the food, so feel free to stop by and show some love, and let me grow together, alright?
So yes, guys, big up
Good
yourself too. All of their link is going to be in the description box down below. Yes, okay, guys. Alright, Beauty, big up yourself.
Yes, girls, cool.
So yes, guys, everybody come off nice. Like everybody is so nice, you know. You know when people chat you see if you want to know if somebody chat you, normally when you call them start trace you out one time, you know. Oh me never read it. Call them a try convince you. You see everybody calm, that means nobody not chat about Curry call. So you see I be a good people now. So last but not least now, guys, because I don't want to have the video too long, you know. I go trouble my little friend Volvol. I can't afford volcano. And I tell him, so I call him this morning, so I look out for my call. Guys, what the hell? I just started the volcano last night. Oh, I swim past your name, that's why. So guys, volcano official. Hey volcano. Morning, darling. How you doing?
I'm good in there, alright?
Yes, I'm doing good, but I'm vexed with you. I am mad at you because you say some stuff about me.
What?
Yes. You say you don't really like me and them something there.
No man, a prank can't try prank me, man. Not no go so you're mad, man.
No, I'm not prank you, a real thing.
Who did that, so?
So them say, if people say.
No, sir.
Yeah, they say, you sure you don't say nothing about me? Them say, you say you don't like me and something. So I say, what the hell volcano they talk so nice to me and I say appreciate me and all of that.
No.
My father did work in our office. So yes, you say that talk nothing to nobody about me?
Who me talk to? No, man, sister.
Anyway, it's a prank. You already say it before, but I'm going to try to draw out the video more. It's a prank, volcano. Pick up the channel.
No, sir, I don't say nothing like that.
So guys, that's Volcano. That's official Volcano TV, guys. His link is going to be in the description box below. As me telling you guys, I'm not going to do no editing, so me I show them picture from this phone so you can go check them out. Guys, Volcano, big up a channel.
Yeah, man, subscribe to official Volcano TV channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe and do the right thing, people. She catch me, cause me don't know, me never said that. So you catch me big time, sis.
But you ball out prank first, so we think they're gonna stick to it, you know. So anyway,
No, sir, I prank that one.
So anyway, guys, the video gonna end with me and Volvol. So thank you guys for watching this video. Honestly, so me catch a couple of them well. You understand? And everybody that's in this video, I'm gonna put their link in the description box down below. I want if you check out them channel, I want to subscribe, I want to show them some love. And make them know say life with good as send. Tell them say bye Volvo.
Right people, big up on yourself and continue support sister.
Alright.